Hello to Nico and Cookie. It looks great on you, but is anyone else wondering how it's kept in place? Thank you for your question and thank you for your compliment. And voila, this is the deep plunge bra. And in the pads, there is anti-slip stickers, this one. It means it will stick to your skin, okay? So if you wear it, it will not move to your boobs because it will stick to the skin. Okay, so if one day you find out that this one is not working, you just have to rinse it with water, or me, I always use this one, micellar water. Okay, I just have to put in the cotton and then I just rub this one and it's work again. Okay, so that's it. So if you really worried, you are worried and you think like you're uncomfortable, okay, so I advise you to buy this one. So this is the volumizing biogel pads. Okay, so actually this one is for swimming. Okay, so the water will not come inside. Okay, even when you love to go to the discotheque and you feel sweat, it will not go inside. It will not move at all. So this one is the biogel pads. I will show you. It's very sticky, guys. Okay, so this one will stick to your skin and it will not move. Okay, and then there is this one biogel pads that you have to stick in the paddles. Okay, there is two. Okay, voila. Okay, so if you stick this one and you put inside the pads, it means it will not really move. Okay, so yeah, wait. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to wear it. So you just have to search a triangle form. Okay, and then you just have to push like this, and then this is the result. And the wire, you cannot see the wire because it's around here. Voila! So I hope this video helps you to decide if you want to purchase this one. Please visit Misseskisses.com and use my code MamaG so you will have 10% discount. So thank you for watching.